So the project is about online examination system. This project aims to replace the old system of conducting exams in a traditional manner. It eases the entire system of conducting examinations and proves to be extremely beneficial to students appearing for exams. The first step in introduction is system analysis. It is conducted for the purpose of studying a system in order to identify its objectives, and also it is a problem solving technique that improves the system. Another step in introduction is feasibility study. It is an analysis that takes all of our project's relevant factors into account, including economic, technical, legal, scheduling, and consideration to ascertain the likelihood of completing the project successfully. Now we will talk about our software and hardware requirement specification. So as we can see that in front end we have used SQL, Java, and in backend we have used MS Access database. Our first chapter is about analysis. So in analysis we have used data flow diagrams. In first we have used this data flow diagram to show administrative block, second for level 0 diagram, third for registration zone, uh, fourth one for entering the admin block, fifth one for add questions, sixth one for updation of questions, seventh for change user ID, eighth for delete questions, and last ninth for demo test zone. For system design we have used ER diagram. During this phase the software architecture is defined and the high level and detailed design work is performed. We have used data dictionary and tables also. Basically data dictionary is used to manage the details in large systems. It can be used to search a data item and also to build the database and design the software. So this, in the very first snapshot, this is how our form will look like. In second snapshot we can see how our new user will fill the form, and the third one is for go to. We can choose the subject according to the exam, and in case you have forget your password, see this form. By entering the details you can get a new password. Forms related to demo tests showing results and feedback of students are also made in this project. Also we can add or delete a question. We can update or change the user ID also. And this one is the final response layout of the students who appeared for the examinations. In implementation we will talk about validation and source code. So the validation means to check if our software is complete or not. Means that if software meets the expectations or not. We must check all the entries of validation criteria section of SRS document. And next one is source code. We can transfer design of system to computer language format, or we can say that source code is an activity where design is translated to runnable code. So our next step is a very important step, and it is maintenance and security. So maintenance is an important part of the software life cycle. It is required to modify the software product and to correct faults after delivery, and it is also required to improve the performance or other attributes. And next one is security. So security is a factor that protect the software from accidental or malicious access, use, modification, destruction, or any kind of disclosure. So we need to keep specific log and use certain techniques to secure our data. Now, this is our last slide of the presentation, which is about the cost estimation and the future scope of this project. So, for any new software project, it is necessary to know how much will it cost to develop and how much develop time will it take. So, for this purpose, we have used Kokomo model. In future, online examination system will help students as well as invigilators also. We will get fair results through this system of examination. Like, it will prevent cheating during examination because it is safe to use. Also, it reduces the administrative work. So we can say, or we can prove, obviously it is more successful in future. Thank you.